Good morning, students. You have learnt how to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables by substitution method and elimination method in previous class. Here we introduce one more algebraic method to solve a pair of linear equations, which for many reasons it is very useful method of solving these equations. This method is called by cross multiplication method. Today I will teach you how to solve a pair of linear equations by cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. We have learnt two methods to solve a pair of linear equations, as for substitution method and elimination method. Here we introduce one more algebraic method to solve a pair of linear equations. This is called by cross multiplication method. Question is, which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solution? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. X minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. And here, from example of this, from a bus stand in Bangalore, if we buy 2 tickets to Malleshwaram and 3 tickets to Yeshwantpur, the total cost is rupees 46. But if we buy 3 tickets to Malleshwaram and 5 tickets to Yeshwantpur, the total cost is rupees 74. Find the fares from the bus stand to Malleshwaram and to यशवंतपुर. एक बस स्टैंड से बंगलौर में एक बस स्टैंड से यदि हम 2 टिकट मालेश्वरम का और 3 टिकट यशवंतपुर का खरीदते हैं तो कुल खर्च 46 रुपये आते हैं. यदि हम 3 टिकट मालेश्वरम और 5 टिकट यशवंतपुर का खरीदते हैं तो कुल खर्च 74 रुपये पड़ता है. तो फाइंड द फेयर्स फ्रॉम द बस स्टैंड टू मालेश्वरम. तो बस स्टैंड से मालेश्वरम और यशवंतपुर की दूरी कितनी है. लेट अस सपोज दैट लेट एक्स बी द फेयर टू मालेश्वरम एंड वाई टू यशवंतपुर. Example 14 of exercise 3.5. Let the fare of bus let the fare of bus to Maheshwaram. Let the fare of bus to Malleshwaram be rupees X. Be rupees X, and the fare of bus to Yeshwantpur let the fare of bus to Malleshwaram be X rupees, and the fare of Yeshwantpur be rupees Y. Be rupees Y. Then according to condition 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y is equal to 46, 2x plus 3y is equal to 46. Yeah, we can write 2x plus 3y minus 46 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. And by the second condition, if we buy 3 tickets to Malleshwaram and 5 tickets to Yeshwantpur, the total cost is rupees 74. So 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y is equal to 3x plus 5y is equal to 74. 74. Yeah, अथवा 3x plus 5y minus 74 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Now we solve the equations by the cross multiplication. We draw a diagram xy1 by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method, we draw a diagram. We draw a diagram in which we write x, y, 1 and to understand, we draw such as xy1 and we write एक मिनट to solve by cross multiplication, we draw a diagram given below. This diagram helps in remembering the process, the above process. Here coefficient, we suppose coefficient of x is equal to a1 and coefficient of y is equal to b1 and constant term as C1. And in equation number 2, coefficient of x is equal to A2, B2 and C2. We suppose coefficient of x is equal to A1, coefficient of y is equal to B1 and constant term, for constant term we suppose C1. And in equation number 2, similarly, we suppose coefficient of x A2, coefficient of y B2 and coefficient and constant term for C2. And we draw a diagram such as, and write B1 C1 A2 A1 B1, and below we write under B2 C2 A2 B2, and we draw arrow such as we draw arrow now we can write x by B1 C2, x by B1 C2, x by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equal to y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Again, by cross multiplication method we draw a diagram such as x, y, 1, and we write above B1 C1 A1 B1, and under B1 C1 A1 B1 we write B2 C2 A2 B2, and we draw arrow B1 C2 B2 C1 C1 A2 C2 A1 and A1 A2 B1 B2. X is equal to B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equal to y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Now we put the value of A1 B1 C2 and A2 B2 C2 in this diagram. We have x by B1 C2. Here B1 is 3 and B2 and C2 is equal to minus 74. So 3 into minus 74, 3 into minus 74, B1 C2 minus B2 C1. B2 C1 5 into minus 5 into B2. B2 is equal to 5 into C1 minus 46. 5 into minus 46. We put the value of B1 C2 and B2 C1. Here B1 is equal to coefficient of y in equation 1 and C2 is equal to constant term of equation 2, and B2 is equal to coefficient of y in equation number 2 and C1 is equal to constant term in equation number 1. So x by B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Now we put the value of C1 A2 and C2 A1. We can write y by C1 A2. C1 A2 means minus 46 into C1 A2 into 3 minus C2 A1. C2 is equal to minus 74. C2 is equal to minus 74 into minus 24 into A1 is 2 is equal to 1 by, we write 1 by A1 B2 1 by A1 B2. A1 is 2 or B2 is 5. So 2 into 5 minus A2 B1. A2 B1 is equal to 3 into 3, because coefficient of x is equal to 3, coefficient of y is equal to 3. A2 B1, 3 into 3 minus 3 into 3 is equal to x by multiplying by 4, 12, 321, minus 224, minus plus 530, 520, 230 is equal to y by 3619 minus 138 plus 2 4 8 and 2 7 14 is equal to 1 by 10 minus 9. 1 by 10 minus 9. Simplifying x by x by 230 minus 224 is equal to 6. X by 6 is equal to y by 10, because subtracting 138 from 148 we have 10 is equal to 1. Here x by 6 is equal to y by 10 is equal to 1 by 1. Here both are equal to 1. If x by 6 is equal to 1, x by 6 is equal to 1, x is equal to 6, and the y by 10 is equal to 1, y is equal to 10. So the value of x and y is equal to x is equal to 8, y is equal to 10. x 8, 34, 312, 312, fare of bus to Malleshwaram is equal to 6 rupees, and the fare is equal to rupees 8 and rupees 10. Here again I am going to explain. We are given from a bus stand in Bangalore. If we put 2 tickets to Malleshwaram and 3 tickets to Yeshwantpur, the total cost is 46. Let the fare of bus fare to Malleshwaram be rupees x and the fare of bus to Yeshwantpur be rupees y. The cost of 2 tickets is equal to 2x, and cost of 3 tickets to Yeshwantpur 3y. 2x plus 3y, total cost is equal to 46, and again 3x plus 5y. By second condition 3x plus 5y बराबर 74, अथवा 3x plus 5y minus 74 is equal to 0, and by using cross multiplication method we draw a diagram x, y, 1. Here we write under B1, C1, A1, B1, B2, C2, A2, B2, and draw arrow between them. Then x by B1, C2 minus B2, C1 is equal to y by C1, A2 minus C2, A1 is equal to 1 by A1, B2 minus A2, B1. Now putting the value of A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 in this condition, we have x by 8 is equal to y by 10 is equal to 1. Here x by 8 and y by 10 both are equal to 1. So x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 10. Hence the pairs to Malleshwaram be rupees 8 rupees and the pairs to Yashwantpur is equal to rupees 10. So using by cross multiplication method, you can solve the linear equations in two variables. You have learned substitution method, elimination method, and today I taught you by cross multiplication method, and using this method you can try to solve the given equations by this method. And in next class I will solve your problem from exercise 3.5.